Hi everybody, I am here at a wonderful camp and I'll show it to you soon, but today I want to tell you to save 3 important dates. Okay, so mark your calendars. The first date is October 3rd. On Two Meander channel, we are making a huge announcement. Be sure to watch for that video, you don't want to miss it. And then that night, October 3rd, at 5 o'clock p.m. Pacific, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern, I'm going to be doing a follow-up live chat on my channel. So start off that day on Two Meander and watch that video. Then come join me that evening for my live chat. Again, all of this is on October 3rd, coming up soon. So that's announcement number 1 and number 2. And for announcement number 3, mark your calendars for October 8th. That is going to be a special premiere on my channel. A premiere on YouTube is where we get to watch the video together. You log on and it's kind of like a live chat. We can comment to each other while you're watching the video for the first time it airs. That is going to have another 2 special announcements. So 3 dates, 4 announcements. You got it? October 3rd and October 8th. Check out the video description for details. See you down the road.